Hello, hi, I'm Tim Fahey, and I took the class with the Emerging Technologies summer. From all the technologies that I've learned, the one that caught my eye was really the augmented reality tools with the HoloLens, and particularly what I did was I looked into some other types of augmented reality, which like Adobe Aero, and I got a demonstration by the folks over at HoloLens itself, and so that was really interesting because they actually did a display that created the ability for them to be able to explain 5G better than anybody else. And they were able to get a lot of retention and more people to understand really what the entire technology is about from T-Mobile. The second thing is think about the challenge where students struggle to understand. Deakin University, I love their elements of literacy, and which actually talked about three main levels in order to define and navigate, to use and think critically and analyze and disseminate, create and communicate and connect. For digital tools, I think this is particularly good because foundational level, the proficiency level, and the advanced level, and then the elements of the digital literacy. So I think this helps me give reference and why we're doing what we're doing in terms of digital tools. Tool that I really liked a lot was Microsoft Forms. Although I didn't do the forms, even though that it did have the ability to link back and be able to link other types of things. I went ahead and used the PowerPoint because I already have a number of different PowerPoints already in play for we integrate that as well into my classroom setting. But I see how the forms could actually be useful for me to be able to do a demonstration and then implement it along with some other video and other types of content so that they can go back through and see video and also the other content. If I did not have any limitations, which emerging technology will I implement? Well, truthfully, I really like the augmented reality one with the Adobe Aero, and I tried it out at home, and it provides a three-dimensional augmented reality project, and I've also been able to, I'd like to take a deeper dive into how it can contribute to provide artwork for both from the Illustrator, Photoshop, and combine those types of things to be able to create some of the 3D augmented reality models for these products. Because you can actually take it and take a can, for instance, on some of these other products and just overlay graphics over top of it.
From above, you can see how these 2D assets and 3D models are combined into one nicely integrated composition. So we can move around a bit here. It just feels really great. So I highly recommend to check out this app and build an AR scene yourself, because until you try it, it is really hard to imagine the actual feeling that you get when you can set things up in this virtual space.